Okay, so today we're going to make a phylogenetic tree out of 9 living things. So I have a bear, a cow, a manatee, a squirrel, a koala, a human, a dog, a wolf, and from the plant kingdom, a banana. So each of these organisms represents an OTU, or an operational taxonomic unit, and we're going to classify them based on their phenotypes since we can't access their DNA during the COVID crisis. So obviously, the banana is a plant while all of the others are animals, so the banana will go way up here as our outgroup, making this a rooted tree. Now we know that dogs and wolves can interbreed, so they must be the most closely related. Dogs, wolves, and bears are carnivores, so I'm going to put grizzly as having the next most recent common ancestor with the wolf and the dog. Olivia is next because she does walk on 4 legs, even though she's an herbivore. Next is the squirrel because it mostly runs on 4 legs, but it also walks on 2 legs, so it's getting closer to a human. The human is next because it lives on land like all these other animals. It's an herbivore like the squirrel, and it walks on 2 legs, making it different from what we've seen so far. Next is going to be the koala, which is a little bit different from the rest because he's a marsupial, so he carries his young outside in a pouch. And then finally, I'm going to put the manatee because even though it's a mammal, it's aquatic, making it, in my opinion, the most different characteristic from the rest. So as you can see, everywhere that you see a pin, that is an internal node representing the most recent common ancestor for the 2 organisms diverging from there. The length of the spaghetti represents the distance or time from that common ancestor. So for example, the dog and the wolf have less time between their common ancestor than the dog and the bear. This tree shows anagenesis, or the evolution of a lineage over time. So each dot along the line represents a characteristic that evolved along that lineage. As for cladogenesis, or the splitting of one lineage into 2, this means that only 2 species arrive at a time. This is shown at every node because every node only branches off to 2 new organisms at a time. You'll never see a node with more than 3 branches coming off of it.